Let us learn about silent letters or blends with different sounds. The blends that you see on the screen now can make different sounds, or sometimes they remain silent. I will teach you how to read them in words. WH sounds W. Y. When. While. White. Which. In these words, the letter H is silent. WH can also sound H, who, whole, whom, whose. When you focus and read, you will find that the letter W is silent in these words. WR can sound wrap, right, wrist, wrong, wreck. Did you notice that the letter W is silent in these words? KN sounds not, knit, knee, knife, knock. The letter K is silent. GN sounds sign, gnaw, gnat, design, ensign. Notice letter G is silent here. In some of the words, GH doesn't make any sound at all. Cought, high, sigh, naughty, night. GH can sound like f, tough, rough, laugh, cough, enough. In the following words, GH sounds G, ghost, ghee, ghastly, spaghetti, ghetto. PH sounds F, few, face, phone, photo, graph. Thanks for watching. Please click on this video to learn more about blends. Bye.